everyone, it's me Nawa Sharifa and welcome back to my channel. So, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to do a dual colored eyeshadow. This should be fun. I think it'll look really pretty, so let's go. As you can see, my base makeup is done and I'm just trying to do things like really quickly, so this could be just like a quick video. I'm gonna try my best, but yeah, so since my base is done, I'm just gonna jump ahead straight to the eyeshadow. I'm using purple and blue because I love the colors. I'm using this blue as usual and this purple because I really love it now. So I'm going to put the blue on the outer side of the eye and the purple on the inner side. So I'm just taking a lot of the blue eyeshadow. Oops, here it is. I'm using a small rounded brush because I love this brush. And I'm just going to put it, you can't see it right now, but just gonna put it on the outer side. And with it, I'm going to try to make a wing as usual. So I'm just going to do it off camera. So this is how it looks on my right eye. I'm just stamping it and I'm not going to blend it out because I think it's nicer when it's more vibrant like this. So I'm just going to do the left side. Okay, so the blue one is done. I think it looks super pretty. So now I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to do the same with the purple one on the inner side of my eye. I'm mostly just going to stamp it, just like I did with the blue one. You can't see anything, I'm doing it off camera. This is super gorgeous. I love how it turns out. I'm going to try to get more visible. Okay, I'm going to do the same here. So I think it looks super good like this and just like this. So I'm not going to add anything on the under eye. Next, I'm just going to take eyeliner. I'm gonna draw. Sorry, I'm gonna draw 3 hearts on each eyelid. Or maybe just one. I'm just going to draw 3. Yes, 3. I'm gonna try off camera first. Okay, so I did, and it looks super cute from like a bar, I think. I mean, this is near. The hearts are a bit wonky. I have shaky hands, I guess, so I'm just gonna do the same here. Basically, I did the highest one in the middle of the crack here. Crack? Not really a crack, but the line, the border. I'm gonna do this one too. And then after I do the highest one, I just gonna move down a bit and do the second one. And then lastly here, I'm gonna do this off the left side off camera. Okay, so the hearts are done. Then I'm just going to do my usual wing liner. Okay, I'm sorry. This looks amazing. It's super pretty. My eyeliner looks really good. So proud of myself. I mean, it's very wonky if you look up close, but you're not looking up close, so it looks really good. It looks better on camera than it is in real life. Also, look at my blush. It's crazy. Like in real life, it looks way, wow, crazy. That's the word. Forgot what I wanted to do. Right, mascara. My mascara is done as well. Looks super pretty. Okay, anyways, lastly it's highlighter. I already put blush. Wow. Okay, my highlighter is on. Lastly, it's time for lipstick, and then we're done. Okay, so this is the end result. I think it looks gorgeous with the colors and my highlight and my eyeliner and my lips. It looks so pretty, and the blush. In real life, the blush really makes me look crazy, but on camera, it's gorgeous. Like, yes. I'm not gonna cuss. But anyways, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment. If you have any ideas, suggestions, requests, or just feedback, let me know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more pictures of this look and all other pictures. Just follow me on Instagram. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go do that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go do that as well. Come on. Once again, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next week. Bye.